I realized again that in our projects and in our trainings and modules, we work more and more in an emergent as well as in a structured way. So we are very much going with the participants' needs, of course, more than before. So the individual learning, the needs and the status quo of their learning situation is a key moment for us in our workshops, in our modules. Another aspect is the very much resource orientation of us. We try to work in a collaborative way, in a co-creation way with the participants by working with them together in sessions like this one, so in a more lecturing session, but those are just impulses, moments of giving information, sharing the informations with the students, with the participants, and then we go to other rooms where we work like in an organizational team lab, where we very much look at the participants, where they are, where their institutions are, what kind of questions and problems and challenges they are taking with them. And on this we are working strongly in a co-creation way, in an experiential learning way, in an action learning way, so that they have afterwards something in their hands. They can go back to the organizations, like in this module on digital transformation and leadership 4.0, where we will work on their cases as well as on cases we will bring in. And this approach we use in terms of showing them what leadership 4.0 means, the participants, that it's very important to listen to them, to use the resources, to give a frame, but to be very creative and open and approachable in the frame as a leader. So we as trainers, we as facilitators are in a way role models for the aspect of leadership 4.0, where we work hand in hand and collaboratively with the participants, and we focus on their needs. We look very much what is the outside world, what are the trends. We look into the future. This is also part of working agile, to be like a trend scout in terms of digital transformation, to see what's going on in their market, what are disruptive processes, dynamics in the markets, what is the competition doing, and trying to help to learn and to be very active and partnering in the business ecosystem with other partners, like vendors, like competitors, like universities, like customers, clients, as well as other stakeholders, and to understand the needs of the stakeholders and to transform it to the organization, or to help the organization and the teams and the members to understand what's going on outside. So to help to bridge to the outside world as well, and to help in the inside, to partner, to work cross over the functions, so collaboratively. This is also key in Leadership 4.0, and not so much about silo thinking. So we have to overcome these silos, these sub-functions, although these are needed. These are subsystems with their subcultures sometimes, like production, marketing, very close to the clients, and working in a very organized way in production, etc. But still, we have to overcome those individual thinking and to see the whole picture, to see the needs of the company and their clients, as well as, of course, the employees. Leadership 4.0 is also about engaging, about really being self-motivated and self-engaged, and to bring this also to the colleagues, as well as to see their self-engagement and self-motivation, and that this is not disrupted or disconnected from their needs and from the company. So retention, to help to be really a very interesting company to get all the talents in and to create an atmosphere of talent, creativity, and that they can work in a very freely way in an atmosphere of creativity and innovation. This is key not only for Leadership 4.0, but this is, let's say, a leveraging the digital transformation process. Therefore, we have to start also with the leaders, with their attitude, with their behavior, with their working style, leadership style. This is the new world. To deal with the young generation, to deal with their needs, with their love for working in a free space, with their mobile thinking and mobility, with their sharing attitude, to create a sharing atmosphere of informations, to work in a very collaborative style. This is Leadership 4.0 in a digitized world.